What the f?
Hello friends, welcome back to this channel, and I was wondering if changing the original air filter to a performance one, will it change the exhaust sound also? So I actually bought this, a K&N high flow air filter for this 390 Duke, and we're going to find out. So the first thing is I am going to start this bike up first, and let's listen to how it sounds. But I'll be using this, my Zoom H1N recorder. I'll be putting it here, which is about 2 feet away. Yeah, 2.5 feet away, something like that. So the result's going to be consistent lah. Right, let's start. Alright, so now we're going to remove the OEM filter and install the K&N ones. Alright, here it is. This is a bit dirty. Oh, this is dirty. Yeah, this is dirty. It's been almost 10,000 kilometers now, and yes, this is the results. Quite dirty. Oh, it's a bit oily actually. Yeah, you see? It's a bit oily. So, yep, let's go ahead and replace it with a new one. Oh wow. So this is how it looks like, the new one, a K&N, and it's a bit oily also. Yeah, I think it's pre-oiled. Looks good. Okay, let's install it. There you go, K&N high performance air filter versus the original KTM paper air filter. So can you tell the difference? Let us know down in the comment section below what difference can you tell between these two air filters. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all again in the next video. Goodbye. Wait. This video wouldn't be complete if I didn't show you a bit of sound test, right? Oh my god, what the fuck? I am not sure if this is a placebo effect or it's really pulling harder. What? You know what guys, I'm gonna have to make another video of a first ride. See you on the next video.